Hi, Aspen K Naturals. I was looking at your turmeric bar soap here on Amazon, and I just wanted to say great job for having a cool product. I mean, turmeric has so many benefits for skin health, but you also include so many different types of ingredients within it, such as coconut oil and shea butter and organic chamomile extract. Now, with that said, I love that you're climate pledge friendly. You have 4.5 stars and over 14,600 ratings in such a competitive and challenging category. Now, with that said, this video is jam-packed with a lot of value, advanced strategies for you to increase your sales, boost your revenue, expand your overall brand awareness, and of course, I'll be even diving into a competitor. With that said, my name is Noel Banuelos. I'm an account executive here at My Amazon Guy, and it is my goal to reach out to brands such as yours that prioritize on Amazon and have this huge window of opportunity for more success and more growth. So if you don't mind, I'd like to jump in and show you these potential enhancements and of course, make a couple recommendations along the way. So I'm switching over to the software tab here that's taking a closer look at your total keyword distribution. Now you have about 718 sponsored keywords and close to 8,900 organic keywords. Now that's awesome that you have so many organic keywords, but let me tell you that there's a couple improvements that we can do. One of them is having a 1 to 2 ratio between your sponsored and organic. So we should have about 4,000 sponsored keywords. The biggest benefit is, of course, you're able to get tons of extra sales. You would notice a quick benefit in terms of this strategy, as a matter of fact, and it'll still keep your margins healthy. Another big improvement is that your organic keywords can be even further elevated into the higher thousands. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down just to identify some more keywords. We have keywords here, search volume, sponsored, and organic ranks in these columns. Now, notice that as I scroll down, there's a lot of big triple digit or even high double digit numbers, which unfortunately means that you're very deep, and I mean deep in Amazon's catalog. You're not showing up anywhere on page one, so you're missing out on so much volume of customers. If you check this out, I mean, Dr. Squash Soap, which is a natural bar soap company that you're obviously going to be aware of, but as you can see, your sponsor ranks at 17. You're not going to be showing up at top of page one. We even got turmeric. You're not running PPC on here. Your organic ranks at 83. Bar soap at 65,000 searches. You're not running PPC and your organic ranks at 143. So we're missing out. Dark spot remover for face, 39,600 searches. Again, no PPCs here. Soap bar at 39,600 searches, no PPC. You're in the high triple digits again. Kojic acid soap, 35,900 searches. It's great to see that you're using PPC on this one. African black soap, 35,900 searches. I would expect to see you running PPC on this one. It's natural. Body soap at 26,500 searches. Again, no PPC. And as we continue to scroll down, there's so much opportunity for your product. It's amazing how much money right now is just being left on the table. But I do want to show you one quick thing because I saw that you're really missing out on this phrase, which is body soap. As you can see, there's about $10,156,000 of market share generated per month, literally over 100 million across the entire year. And as you can see, we can see that Dr. Squash is up here using a brand campaign. We got all these other competitors like Cetaphil, Dial, Olay using PPC. And as we scroll down, we're just not going to find your product. And I would expect to see your product, especially because there's some like tea tree and stuff like that up here. So turmeric should be up here. I do want to show you one quick thing though, of course, right? So I was able to kind of dig a little bit more into Dr. Squash. Again, not comparing, but they do have about 4,400 sponsored keywords and close to 7,573 organic keywords. Now they're roughly at close to that 1 to 2 ratio that I was mentioning earlier. But as you can see, they're selling about 28,620 units per month. Now that's a lot of revenue that they're doing off one single product listing. But I do want to offer you some more value, of course, which is by clicking the link down below on my calendar within this email. I'll throw in a free keyword gap analysis as well as more research in terms of any competitor that you would like, just to offer you some more value. But I'm going to scroll back up here real quick. I do want to show you your organic rank from 20 to 50. Now, these are known as strike zone keywords. This is our phase 3 for SEO. And if you check this out right here, you look at all this search volume, you have about 1,626 keywords, each with their own monetary value that you're literally missing out on because you're not showing up on page one for all these keywords. But with our help, we can get you these 1,600 plus keywords for your product to show up on page one and get you these rankings so that you're getting tons of sales and you would have a huge smile on your face because of it. So quick tips, of course, we need to make sure our title is fully indexable. So 150 to 200 characters is recommended. You only have 90. So adding keywords in these sections will help you. You're missing a bullet point. You should have up to 5 bullets, all of them 250 characters each, adding more keywords. Now, it's great to see that you're showing off the bar and you do show somebody washing their face, but it'd be even more better just to see some infographics, even an us versus them, right? Comparing your product compared to what typical bar soaps are going to be. A lot of them are harsh. So just highlighting these things. Now, scrolling down, it's great to see that you have A plus content. There's a couple things that I would like to point out. All this text I'm highlighting here, you have up to 500 words, which is indexable. All this alt text here, you have up to 100 characters per image, which is also highly indexable as well. And one more thing that I know that you can benefit off right away is a brand store module that you could add right now because you do have brand registry, is adding it above your A plus content. It's also highly indexable and increases your average order value. So with all that said, here at my Amazon guy, we do full service management. We have over 300 employees and we grow your sales through a couple strategies that we have here, which is SEO and PPC to drive traffic to your listings, as well as platform management and brand content optimization. So our overall goal is to grow your sales and provide you Amazon peace of mind so that you could focus more on your business. And by booking the call down below, I'll even provide you an exclusive competitor audit, as well as so many strategies and insight that I cannot squeeze into this short video. But we currently do partner with over 300 brands and manage over $350 million in annual revenue. So there's so much stuff that I've yet to show you. Thank you again for watching and take care.